Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. Gonna take up the E-FLITE VIPER 90. I just crashed my foxbat, so I need to take something else to shake my rattles, get my nerves unrattled, because I love this plane and she just flies good for me every time. So let's go ahead and have a positive flight. Go ahead and claim it and run with it. Got the KM afterburner in her. Let me get over here next to Camera Precious. Right, left, up, down, right, left. All right. Running in my high rates. Which for me, 100% over 20% expo. And I'm going to go ahead and change that to 30% expo, because I found I like 30% better. All right, get ready to go. Whew, shake this off.
Takeoff flaps. Flaps up. Gear down. Gear up.
I'll go straight up with her. All right, we're gonna come right down the runway.
Landing flaps.
Kind of slow, killing our airspeed a little bit. Take her up.
Flaps up. Time remaining 3 minutes. Gear down. Landing flaps.
Get over my front of the runway, level my wings.
Braking.
All right.
Brakes off.
I'll get turned around,
Flaps up.
come down here and take off from this direction. All right, here we go.
Gear up.
Well, she covers this field fast. Full speed. Straight up.
Time remaining 2 minutes. Gear down. Landing flaps.
Everybody's low and slow with the gear down. All right, we'll go back out here.
Braking.
right. Still got a minute and 30 seconds. Get her turned around.
Flaps up.
Really don't need takeoff flaps. We'll land back from this direction here again. Here we go.
Gear up. Gear down. Landing flaps.
All right, you lined up for the runway.
Time remaining 1 minute. Braking. Brakes off. Flaps up.
All right, we'll just take off from down there. Let me back up a little bit. All right.
Brakes off. Takeoff flaps.
Here we go.
Flaps up. Gear up. Seconds. Landing flaps. Gear down.
Run a 5,000
20.
HRB with a 6cc discharge. Lined up for the runway.
8.
Level my wings.
Braking. 6. 5. 4.
All right.
3. 2. 1.
Got lucky.
Brakes off. Time expired. Braking. Brakes off.
All right. Battery is not a smart battery, so I can't check how much life is left. Doesn't show me. Some batteries it does.
Flaps up.
Flaps up. Oh man, shaking those nerves off. 5 seconds left on a 4-minute timer. And do that afterburner, which KM models, thank you for the afterburner. I absolutely love it. 40%. Could have gone around one more time. Just wanted to verify something, that my throttle cable, I'm looking at it, my throttle cable, because people are asking me my setup on how I get this KM afterburner to work. Okay, my throttle cable is plugged into my bind port. Okay, my Y, or actually my afterburner, is plugged directly into my throttle. The ESC doesn't even recognize it, so I was able to calibrate them together, but I'm looking at it. I don't know why it works, but it does. So that's my only explanation, though. A lot of y'all asked me that question, how I was able to get around the smart ESC, because this seems to be the only plane that's not compatible. And it worked for me. I don't know why. So don't have the science behind it, folks. I'm sorry. But that is the E-FLITE Viper 90, a phenomenal flying jet. She's just intimidating because of her price and her speed. But if you're okay with that, she makes an awesome, awesome, friendly flyer and puts a smile on your face every time. And that right there is worth a lot. All right, y'all have a good, and don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all, and don't forget, stay family and friends, and then Vipers. Bye-bye.